How to convert WEP image to JPG, GIF or PNG. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can convert your WIP image to JPG, GIF or PNG. For that you have to follow this step. So let's dive into the process. So first of all you have to go for your this PC option. So you have to go for your this PC option and go for the photo that you have downloaded or that you want to change or convert your image to your JPG, GIF or PNG. So here you have to right click on that, go and select that and right click on that and go for the properties option. So once you are on your property, here you can see the type of file. So this file is WEBP. So go for the cross icon. So if you want to change this image to JPG, GIF or PNG, you have to right click on that. So here you have to right click on that and go for the open with option. Under your open with option, you have to go for the paint option here. So you have to select the paint and here you have to go for the file option and go for the save as, and here you have to save. So here you have to write the file name and here you have to go for the save as tag and you have to click on that. So here you can see the JPEG option, GIF option, PNG option. So here you can select three of them for one photo that you want to convert. So let's go for PNG and go for the save option and go for the OK option. So once you are done, you have to go for your picture option. So here you can see that you have successfully converted your picture to the PNG. Here go for the right click option, go for the property option. Here you can see that type of file is PNG file. Again go for the another file that is on the WEP image format and go and right click on that, go for the properties option. So here you can see that this is also the WEBP file. Go for the cross icon and again right click on that, go for the open with paint option here and go for the file option again, go for the save as. So if you want to convert this image to JPEG, then go and select that, go for the save and go for the OK option here. So again you have to go for your file that you have saved. So here you can see that you have to right click on that, select and right click on that, go for the properties option. So here you can see the JPG file and you can open it here. So if you want to change that image to GIF, go and select that again and right click on that, go for the open with and go for the paint here and go for the file here, go for the save as again and click on the save as type and go for GIF and go for the save and again click and here you have to click on the picture here. So here you have to right click on that, select and right click on that, go for the properties option. So here you can see the GIF file. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily convert your WEBP image to JPG, GIF or PNG. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.